In this video, we're going to learn how to use Google's Gemini AI product in Google Chrome to create tests for Angular. I'm using Angular version 22, and let's get started. So on my screen here, I've got a header service. So this is a service. Let's go here. I'm going to copy the service itself, and I'm going to go over to the web, and in here, I'm going to type in Angular 22, BITEST, and I'm going to say create tests for service, and then I'm going to paste the service. This is going to execute, and it's going to give me, I've already got the base test, but now what we want to do is we want to add these additional tests. So I'm going to copy those, and let's paste that in our code. And let's see if this works. So we've got 21 tests right now. We should have 22, 23, 24 tests. Let's go ahead and run that. We should have 24 tests. Now, let's do the same thing for page not found. This is a component. I'm going to copy this, and we're going to go over here to our browser again. I'm going to say, start a new chat. Angular 22 for component, and then I'm going to paste the component. And I've already got 2 of these tests should create in that. So this is the new one here. Let's copy that. Let's go over to the code, paste that in. Should add one more test. So should have 25 tests now, and there are 25. Let's keep going. Let's see if we can add any to the component for the copyright component here. I'm going to copy that, go back over to the web, and I'm going to type in Angular 22 BITST for. You'll notice I'm typing these slightly different, and this is what they call a prompt, where you're prompting the AI with a task that you want it to do. So in this case, let's see what it's done. Let's go back and look at the code. Here's the spec. Oh, I've already got all these in here. Let's see if it matches. It's pretty close. I don't think I need to update that. All right, footer I think I've already done. Let's double check it. Nope, I haven't done footer. So let's copy the footer. Let's go back over to the web, and 22D. I pasted the component in. Now this is giving me quite a bit of information here. Let's see if I have that. Now this is creating a mock copyright component. I don't have that in my current test. That's a good thing. And then it's creating a footer. It's creating all this. So let's copy this whole thing, and I'm going to bring it over here, paste it. So I pasted it, but I have some errors, and those errors are because I don't have this line. For some reason, the AI didn't pick up on this. So I'm going to add this line in. That should fix the other issues. So we went from 25. Let's see how many tests we have now. We have 2 failing, and this is on the footer component that I just added. Okay. Multiple components match node. So I'm going to copy this error. Just that. Copy that. And we're going to paste that. So I'm not changing this. I'm leaving that there. I'm just going to paste this in to see what it does to make an adjustment. Okay, it's seeing both the real copyright component, which is hard-coded in your footer component imports, and your new at the same time. Okay, so it's seeing the mock and the other one simultaneously. I can't make this larger. I wish I could. To fix this, you must import the real copyright into your test file. So no, just so to your test file, just so testbed knows exactly. All right, so to explicitly reference and remove the real component. See this right here. This is override component. Let's go look at the code. In the code, we don't have override, or we do have override. Okay, so I just need to put the real copyright in there. I missed that. Copyright component. And so it's going to remove that and it's going to add that. Now let's see if this makes things work. So now we have 26 tests. So as you can see, the AI is helping me write tests quickly. So AI is a good assistant. I wouldn't say that it's a replacement for me, but it's assisting me to figure out issues and get around problems. So I missed that comment because I was quickly just grabbing and cutting and pasting. And by going back and looking at it and reading carefully, it's like, oh, it was pointing this out and I totally missed it. So when you're using AI, don't just expect it to do everything for you. You've got to carefully examine the results from the AI and ask the right questions. So I hope this helps.